Mathematical problems solution of standard 4. Question number 1a. Smallest prime number is 2. Question number b. Even number into odd number is equal to even number. Question number c. The place value of the digit 5 in 1257 is 50. Question number D. Meter is the unit of measuring length. Question number 2a. A sphere has one curved surface. Question number B. Write in numbers 57,309. 57309. Question number C. How many minutes are there in 2 hours and 15 minutes? 1 hour is 60 minutes. 2 hours is 2 into 60, 120 minutes. Total minutes 120 plus 15, 135 minutes. Question number D. In a village there are 1795 men and 1839 women. What is the total number of men and women in that village? Total is equal to 1795 plus 1839 is equal to 3634. Question number 3a. The product of two numbers is 108. If one number is 9, what is the other number? Other number is 108 divided by 9 is equal to 12. Question number B. Convert to ordinary fraction 0.25. 0.25 is equal to 25 divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 4. Question number C. If a brick weighs 1 kilogram 500 gram, how many bricks will weigh 15 kilogram? 1 kilogram 500 gram is 1.5 kilogram. Number of bricks 15 kilogram divided by 1.5 gram is equal to 10 bricks. Question number D. There were 1526 dozen footballs in a shop. 78 dozen were sold. How many dozen are left now? Remaining 1526 minus 78 is 1448 dozen. Question number 4a. Arrange the following numbers from smallest to largest. 3450, 3500, 3540. Answer 3450 35003540. Question number B. How many months are there in 8 years and 4 months? 1 year is 12 months. 8 years is 8 into 12, 96 months. Total months 96 plus 4, 100 months. Question number C. Subtraction. 10 years 8 months minus 4 years 6 months. Years 10 minus 4 is 6 years. Months 8 minus 6, 2 months. Result 6 years 2 months. Question number D. Convert 850 meters to centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 850 meters is 850 into 100 centimeters is 85,000 centimeters. Question number 5A. Determine whether 8,000 is divisible by 5 and 10. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. 8,000 ends in 0, so it is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. 8,000 ends in 0, so it is divisible by 10. Question number B. How many days are in a month? There are typically 30 or 31 days in a month. February has 28 or 29. Question number C. Write the factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4. Question number D. Write the common factors of 6 and 9. Factors of 6: 1, 6, 2 and 3. Factors of 9: 1, 9 and 3. Common factors are 1 and 3. Question number 6A. Write the LCM of 15 and 20. Prime factorization of 15. 3 into 5. Prime factorization of 20. 2 square into 5. LCM of 15 and 20 is 3 into 5 into 2 square is 60. Question number B. Write the HCF of 18 and 24. Prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 square. Prime factorization of 24 is 2 cube into 3. HCF of 18 and 24 is 2 into 3, 6. Thank you.